Imagine this. It's a sunny Tuesday morning, and Sam is sitting in his math class feeling pretty confident. The teacher just asked Lucy to solve a tricky problem on the board, and she got it wrong. Sam couldn't help himself and blurted out, "Wow. Lucy, how could you mess that up?" Lucy's face turned red, and she quietly returned to her seat. But here's the twist. Later that day, Sam was in English class staring at a blank piece of paper. They had a big writing assignment due, and he was completely stuck. Guess who walked by? Yep, Lucy. Realizing he needed help, Sam swallowed his pride and asked Lucy for advice. To his surprise, Lucy smiled and said, "Sure, I'd love to help." Lucy took the time to explain her writing process, gave him some tips, and even helped him brainstorm ideas. Sam was amazed at how good she was and felt a bit embarrassed about his earlier comment. By the end of the day, he had finished his assignment, all thanks to Lucy. Sam learned something important that day. Everyone makes mistakes, and it's not cool to judge others for theirs. We all have our strengths and weaknesses, and sometimes the person you least expect might be the one to help you out. So next time you see someone struggle, remember Sam and Lucy's story. Be kind, be supportive, and who knows, you might just make a new friend. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you found this story helpful. See you next time.